Technical details and combat capabilities of China's Chengdu J-36, a next-generation stealth fighter currently under development by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group. On December 26, 2024, local residents near Chengdu, Sichuan, captured video footage of a tailless aircraft conducting a test flight. Bearing the serial number 36011, this mysterious aircraft has sparked global intrigue as it appears to embody the hallmarks of a sixth-generation fighter jet, boasting advanced stealth technology, exceptional performance, and versatile combat capabilities. The J-36 represents a significant leap forward in China's military aviation, signaling its ambition to redefine air combat and challenge global competitors on the battlefield. The J-36 is distinguished by its bold tailless, delta wing configuration, marking a substantial departure from traditional fighter jet designs. This innovative layout eliminates vertical stabilizers, significantly reducing the aircraft's radar cross-section and enhancing its stealth capabilities. The tailless design is supported by advanced fly-by-wire flight control systems, which replace the stability functions traditionally provided by tailplanes with computer-assisted control surfaces. This not only ensures stability and maneuverability, but also reduces drag, enhancing fuel efficiency and operational range. These features make the J-36 well-suited for long-duration missions and high-speed engagements. Additionally, its delta wing shape contributes to exceptional maneuverability at high speeds, a critical attribute for modern air combat. The air intake configuration of the J-36 further highlights its advanced design. The aircraft features intakes positioned on top of the fuselage and along the sides, suggesting the presence of a unique tri-engine configuration. This three-engine setup, reportedly incorporating advanced ACE engines, provides increased thrust, enhanced maneuverability, and the ability to carry heavier payloads. With this configuration, the J-36 is capable of achieving a maximum envelope speed of Mach 2.5, making it a high-speed platform suitable for air superiority and strike missions. The tri-engine design also ensures improved reliability and fuel efficiency, allowing the aircraft to sustain extended operations without sacrificing performance. The dimensions of the J-36 are equally impressive. Measuring 22.5 meters in length, with a wingspan of 24 meters and a wing area of 248 square meters, the aircraft is larger than many fifth-generation fighters, offering additional internal space for weapons and advanced avionics. The J-36's maximum takeoff weight of 55 tons underscores its capacity to carry a significant payload, including advanced weapon systems and additional fuel for long-range missions. The estimated combat radius of approximately 3,000 kilometers further demonstrates its ability to operate effectively in extended-range scenarios, making it a critical asset in regions like the Indo-Pacific, where operational reach is paramount. The Chengdu J-36 is expected to feature a range of advanced technologies, positioning it as a highly capable fighter for future combat scenarios. One of its most significant advancements is its propulsion system, which is believed to consist of next-generation WS engines, potentially upgraded versions of the WS-19. These engines are designed to deliver enhanced thrust and fuel efficiency, crucial for both high-speed performance and long-range missions. The inclusion of these engines ensures the J-36 is versatile enough for various mission types, ranging from air superiority operations to precision strike missions against ground and naval targets. Stealth remains a defining characteristic of the J-36. Its fuselage is optimized for low observability through the use of radar-absorbing materials and advanced shaping techniques. The smooth contours and angular surfaces of the aircraft work in tandem to reduce radar detection, enabling it to operate in contested environments with a reduced risk of being tracked or targeted, ensuring the J-36 can engage in high-stakes combat with minimal exposure to enemy radar systems. The avionics on board the J-36 are equally sophisticated. The aircraft is expected to be equipped with an active electronically scanned array radar system, a critical component for detecting and tracking targets at long ranges. Additionally, the integration of electro-optical targeting systems will allow the J-36 to accurately engage both air-to-air and air-to-ground targets. These systems will enable the aircraft to track multiple targets simultaneously and operate effectively in a variety of environmental and electronic warfare conditions, making it highly versatile in combat scenarios. The avionics suite also likely includes advanced electronic warfare systems, ensuring the J-36 can counter electronic countermeasures and maintain its operational effectiveness in hostile environments. In terms of armament, the J-36 is expected to carry a versatile and powerful payload stored in internal weapons bays to maintain its stealth profile. These bays will likely accommodate a range of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions, making the J-36 a multi-role fighter capable of excelling in various combat roles. The anticipated loadout includes 2 MiJ-12 supersonic anti-ship missiles, enhancing the aircraft's maritime strike capabilities, as well as 4 PL-15 long-range radar-guided air-to-air missiles, which are designed to engage enemy aircraft at extended ranges. Additionally, the J-36 may carry 8 PL-17 missiles, advanced long-range weapons capable of targeting high-value aerial assets such as AWACS or refueling tankers. This diverse arsenal underscores the J-36's ability to dominate in both air superiority and strike missions, providing a significant edge in modern warfare.